with Watermark Design here. We build websites and help businesses grow their business online. Today we're going to be talking about, in video 2 here with the CRM, how do you set up your information for your business. So I will walk you through, but also when you set up through us, we will set this up for you. So you come in, this is just a fake account here, but you put in your business information, the name, website if you have one, you come through, put your address, more information, how you want things to work in there. We can go through this more in another video. You can take payments if you connect Stripe in there. You can have extra accounts, so if you want employees to be able to manage this and come in here, you can set those for other users. There's opportunity and pipelines, that how that'll work, automations, calendars, email services, phone numbers. The big one with phone numbers is we can set up a business phone number. So if you get a call, say you're a plumber and you're working on a job site and you miss that call, we can set up automatic SMS message back, so they'll text that missed call that says something like, sorry we missed your call, what can I help you with today? So that way you don't lose that potential lead, and it comes in as a text message into the app here. So that's been big for myself, being able to do that with my customers. There's a bunch of other things here. Custom values and custom fields is more set up some stuff with automations and workflows, and I'll talk about that in another video, but these are kind of the main items to get your business up and running. All right, if you like this video, like it below and subscribe, and I'll keep creating more videos like this. Thanks. Bye.